What's happening? This is Johnny Snow. Today we got another episode's parts list. All right, we're gonna go over my Stribog. This is my Stribog SP9A1, and it has been heavily modified. This Stribog, I have changed a lot, and this is a great weapon. I really like this weapon. It fires fantastic. I haven't had any issues out of it, and I tell you, and to be honest, I know a lot of people say I haven't had any issues out of this gun. If you see a gun on my channel, um, over and over again, that means I haven't had any issues. Because once I have issues with a gun, you do not see it anymore. That's just how I am with them. If I have an issue with them, you're not going to see them anymore. So I have not had any issues with this gun. Let's go ahead and get a better angle so we can talk about this thing. What we're going to do, we're going to start off with the break up here in the front. This is the LAF 28. The LAF 28, and LAF stands for loud and flashy, and it is very loud and flashy, and it's a 9mm, so you don't really deal with muzzle rise with this weapon, and it is I put it there to see if it would make it loud and flashy, and it makes it a little loud, but it's I can't say that it's real loud. Like I said, this is a 9mm, so you don't have a really loud report on this one. Here, let me show you this. Here we have a LAF. Shoot, I don't know. I can't remember which LAF this is, but here we go. LAF 26. See it right there. LAF 26. And this one does not say it on the back. All right. This one is for a 7.62 by 3.9, and if you see that opening, that's for a Zastafa. Because Zastafas have a large threading around the barrel. So this actually is for a round that will create a very loud noise. So but let me get back to this guy. All right, now we have the Night Strike Diamondback. The grip right here is a Night Strike Diamondback, and you can just Google Night Strike Diamondback, and you'll find it. It'll pop up, and you can order. They have different colors, and they actually have different designs. And this is the one that I like, the one that I chose. So, Night Strike Diamondback. I have just pick rails on here to see. I have bigger hands, so I put the rail on there to widen the weapon a little bit, because this is a skinny weapon. So I wanted it to be wider to fit my hands, so you can give like a better grip right there. So I just put pick rails on the side, and I also have a ambidextrous charging handle that I ordered directly from Global Ordnance. And you can have your ambi charging handle on here. I put a whole grip onto the pistol grip. Now, I must say that I am thinking about getting one of those can't remember where they sell it at, but it's the lower that accepts CZ magazines, because I also have the CZ Scorpion 3 Plus Micro. So I figured it'd be cool if I can get it to where both of these use the same magazines, and I don't have to use different magazines on these two weapons. So, I'm seriously contemplating putting the CZ lower. I mean, yes, the CZ lower onto my Stribog. We'll see. We'll see. And if I do, of course, you guys are going to see me doing it. All right. Next, we have the tail hook, which you can order these if you can find them from Optics Planet. These are kind of hard to find, and we'll see how that goes as far as will they stay legal. They should be legal. Everybody said that they were legal, and now want to say that they're not, but I digress. All right, and this is a saber tube brace right here, and this has the locking mechanism where you push the button and it folds, locks in, and I have it mated to a Strike Industries adapter on the back. This is a Strike Industries adapter that we have on here for the brace, and it works great. I mean, it locks into place, and it took a little bit of filing. I don't know if you can see that, and a little bit of fitment on there, but after you do it on there, it gets right and it works perfectly. So, that is there anything I left out? No. So, boom, there you have it. This is the modifications. Oh, you know what? There is something. I have a 3D printed portion on the front because originally the gun stops right here, and you have a barrel sticking out, and it makes it look a little awkward, and I just really didn't understand it. Hagel Defense makes a 3D printed portion to fit on the end to cover up that barrel, which I guess in essence is kind of like a barrel shroud, a 3D printed barrel shroud, but it balances the look of the gun out with that 3D printed portion on the front. And yeah, I don't know how I almost forgot that, but yeah, that's one more thing. And this came with an awesome trigger on it, straight from the factory. So I didn't have to do anything to the trigger. Flat face, very responsive, and I mean the reset is awesome on it. So, as for that, I do believe that really is everything. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe so you can catch these episodes of parts list where I show you everything that I've done to the gun, show you where to go get what I got, or you can go there and you might see something else you like better and do the thing that you want to do to your gun to make it your own. All right. So, like I said, hit that like and subscribe. Johnny Snow up out of here.